A pivot table is a powerful summary of your data, allowing you to analyze information and explore trends. To create a pivot table, select the data you want to analyze, go to Insert, and then Pivot Table. We recommend placing the pivot table in a new tab. To build your table, first select the rows. This is often the core data we want to analyze. For example, a unique identifier like client name or product name. Add the data you want to analyze into the Value section. With Spend, Excel automatically chooses to sum this data, but you can choose different functions, for example, to show average spend. You can add further data to the table. To show the number of campaigns here, for example, drag the campaign name into the Values area. With filters, columns, rows, and values, there are a wide range of ways to summarize and analyze your data.